You know somebody Ingabire, this small woman of a genocide, you know. But they want the whole world to believe that she's an opponent, she's... actually, they would wish that one to be the president of Rwanda. And she also believes it. Yes. So she believes it, and she's everywhere giving lectures and, you know.
Mufite imico mibi irimo n'ubwirasi. Kwirata mu mico mibi bizaba iki gihugu cyanyu muzagisenya muri ibyo ngibyo. Muri abirasi